Hello students. Next definition of atoms. Let B meet join bar be a Boolean algebra. A non-zero element A in B is called an atom of B if A meet X equal to 0 or A for all X belongs to B. When we say that A is atom of B, if A meet X equal to 0 or A for all X belongs to B. For example, the atoms of Boolean algebra D30 meet join bar are 2, 3 and 5. First, see the Hasse diagram of D30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. 1 meet 2, 3, 5, then 2 and 3 join 6, 2 and 5 join 10, 3 and 5 join 15, next 6, 10, 15 join 30. Now see that 2 meet 1 equal to 1, 2 meet 2 equal to 2, 2 meet 3 equal to 1. Meet means GCD of that elements. 2 meet 1 GCD of 2 1 1, 2 meet 2 GCD of 2 2, GCD of 2 3 1. Similarly 2 meet 5 equal to 1, 2 meet 6 equal to 2, 2 meet 10 equal to 2, 2 meet 15 equal to 1, 2 meet 30 equal to 2. Here in D30 0 element is 1, means A meet X equal to 1 or A for D30. Here A is 2. So 2 meet X equal to 1 or 2 for all X belongs to B. From right hand side we can see that 1 and 2 are exits. So 2 meet X equal to 1 or 2 for all X belongs to D30, where 1 is the 0 element of D30, therefore 2 is atom of D30. Similarly, we can show that 3 and 5 are atoms of D30. Next, Boolean functions. Let B meet join bar be a Boolean algebra. Expressions involving members of B and the operations meet, join and complementation are called Boolean expressions or Boolean polynomials. For example, X join Y bar, X meet 0. Next, Boolean expressions and functions. Definition. Let B meet join bar be a Boolean algebra. A Boolean expression over B meet join bar is defined as follows. First, any element of B is a Boolean expression. Next, any variable name is a Boolean expression. And third is, if E1 and E2 are Boolean expressions, then E1 bar, E1 join E2, E1 meet E2 are Boolean expressions. A Boolean expression that contains n distinct variable is called a Boolean expression of n variables. Suppose a Boolean expression contains n distinct variables x1, x2 and so on xn. Then it is denoted by E of x1, x2 and so on xn. Note that x1 join x2 meet x2 join x3 bar is Boolean expression of 3 variables, while x2 join x3 meet x2 is a Boolean expression of 2 variables, because here variable are nothing but the x2 and x3. Next definition. Let E of x1, x2 and so on xn be a Boolean expression of n distinct variables over B meet join bar. By an assignment of values to the variables x1, x2 and so on xn, we mean assignment of elements of A to the value of the variables. For an assignment of values to the variables, we can evaluate the expression E of x1, x2 and so on xn by substituting the variables in the expression by their values. For example, consider the Boolean expression E of x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 meet x2 join x1 bar join x2 meet x3. Over the Boolean algebra 0, 1 meet join bar. Let x1 equal to 0, x2, x3 equal to 1. Then we have this equation becomes E of 0, 1, 0. x1 meet x2 means 0 meet 1. Join x1 bar is nothing but the 1. x1 equal to 0, so x1 bar equal to 1. Here we write. So 0 bar join 1 means 1 join 1 equal to 1. Here also x3 is 1. 1 meet 1 equal to 1. So 0 meet 1 is 0 join. 0 bar join 1 is nothing but the 1 join 1 equal to 1. So 1 meet 1 and 1 meet 1 is 1. So 0 join 1 equal to 1. So here we get E of 0, 1, 0 equal to 1. Next definition, just a minute. Two Boolean expressions of n variables are said to be equivalent if they assume the same value for every assignment of values of n variables. We write E1 of x1, x2 and so on xn equal to E2 of x1, x2 and so on xn. To mean the expressions E1 of x1, x2 and so on xn and E2 of x1, x2 and so on xn are equivalent. That means E1 of x1, x2 and so on xn equal to E2 of x1, x2 and so on xn. E1 and E2 are equivalent. For example, consider the Boolean expression of three variables x1, x2 and x3 given by E1 of x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 meet x2 join x1 meet x3 bar and E2 of x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 meet x2 join x3 bar. These two expressions are equivalent because meet is distributive over the join, means x1 meet x2 join x1 meet x3 bar, which is equal to E1. That is x1 meet x2 join x3 bar equal to x1 meet x2 join x1 meet x3 bar, which is equal to E1. So E1 and E2 are equivalent. Next definition, mean term. A Boolean expression of n variables x1, x2 and so on xn is said to be mean term if it is of the form y1 meet y2 meet y3 and so on meet yn, where each yi is either xi or xi bar. Next definition, disjunctive normal form. A Boolean expression over the Boolean algebra B meet join bar is said to be disjunctive normal form if it is a join of mean terms. Next definition, max term. A Boolean expression of n variables x1, x2 and so on xn is said to be max term if it is of the form y1 join y2 join and so on join yn, where each yi is either xi or xi bar. Next definition of conjunctive normal form. A Boolean expression over the Boolean algebra B meet join bar is said to be conjunctive normal form if it is a meet of max term. Conjunctive normal form is nothing but the negation of disjunctive normal form. Next, note, disjunctive normal form is also called the sum of the products expansion, means capital SOP, and conjunctive normal form is also called the product of sums expansion. That is, addition means join and multiplication means meet. Next example, disjunctive normal form of each of the following. First, f of x1 x2 equal to x1 join x2 bar. Second, f of x1 x2 equal to x1 join x2. First solution. First, prepare the truth table of f of x1 x2. First x1 x2. Next we want x1 join x2 bar, means here complement of x2, so calculate x2 bar and next x1 join x2 bar. So values of x1 1 1 0 0, values of x2 1 0 1 0, and x2 bar is nothing but the complement of x2 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now x1 join x2 bar, x1 join x2 bar, 1 join 0 1, 1 join 1 1, 0 join 0 0, 0 join 1 1. Now here the arrow indicates the position of the ones in the last column. Now look at columns 1 and 2. Here 1, when we get 1, when x1 meet x2 we get 1. Here x1 meet x2 is nothing but the 0. So for the 1 we have x1 meet x2 bar, and for last x1 bar meet x2 bar. For this we want x1 meet x2, and for this x1 meet x2 bar, and for this x1 bar meet x2 bar. These are nothing but the mean terms, and disjunctive normal form is nothing but the join of the mean terms. So f of x1 x2 equal to x1 meet x2 join x1 meet x2 bar join x1 bar meet x2 bar. आता आपण काय केलं, जिथं जिथं 1 दिसतंय ना तिथं ॲरो पुट केला, आणि आता ह्या 1 साठी आपण x1 आणि x2च्या कॉलममध्ये बघणार आहे. आता x1 x2चं मीट सोबत कसं कॉम्बिनेशन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 1 भेटेल, तर x1 मीट x2 केलं तर 1 भेटतोय, x1 मीट x2 बार केला तर 1 भेटतोय, आणि लास्टला x1 बार मीट x2 बार केलं तर 1 भेटतंय. जर तुम्ही x1 मीट x2 घेतलं फक्त तर 0 मीट 0 काय होतोय, 0 होतोय. त्यामुळे आपल्याला काय घ्यावे लागेल, x1 बार मीट x2 बार, आणि त्याच काय झालं आहे तुमच्या मीन टर्म, आणि मीन टर्मचा आपण जेव्हा जॉईन करतो तेव्हा तो काय होतो, डिस्जंक्टिव्ह नॉर्मल फॉर्म. मग हेच काय झालं आहे, एफ ऑफ x1 x2 इक्वल टू x1 मीट x2 जॉईन x1 मीट x2 बार जॉईन x1 बार मीट x2 बार. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल of conjunctive normal form. Find conjunctive normal form of the Boolean function f of xyz equal to x bar plus y into z bar plus x. The second example of disjunctive normal form is your exercise. Now see the conjunctive normal form. F of xyz equal to x bar plus y into z bar plus x. In note, you can see that addition means join and multiplication means meet. Now first, here we have three variables x, y, z, and then we want x bar, z bar. So calculate x bar, z bar. Next z bar plus x and y into z bar plus x, and next x bar plus y into z bar plus x. Now first write values of x 1 1 1 4 times, and next 4 times 0, and for y 2 times 1 2 times 0 2 times 1 2 times 0, and for z alternating 1 0. X bar is 4 times 0 4 times 1, and z bar is 0 1 alternating. Next z bar plus x, nothing but the z bar join x, means 0 join 1 1, 1 join 1 1, 0 join 1 1, 1 join 1 1. Next 0 join 0 0, 1 join 0 1, 0 join 0 0, 1 join 0 1. And next y into z bar plus x means y meet z bar plus x. Where is y? Here. Now 1 meet 1 1, 1 meet 1 1, 0 meet 1 0, 0 meet 1 0, 1 meet 0 0, 1 meet 1 1, 0 meet 0 0, 0 meet 1 0. And next x bar plus y into z bar plus x means x bar join y into z bar plus x. Where is x bar? Here. Now 0 join 1 1, 0 join 1 1, 0 join 0 0, 0 join 0 0, 1 join 0 1, 1 join 1 1, 1 join 0 1, 1 join 0 1. Now in disjunctive normal form we observe in the last column values of ones, and for conjunctive normal form arrow indicates 0 values. Now look at the first, second and third column. First, second and third column. We get for 0 x join y bar join z. Next for 0 x join y bar join z bar. आता इथं काय 0 आहे, पण आपल्याला ह्या 0चं 1 मध्ये कन्वर्ट कसं करू शकतो आपण? x जॉइन y बार जॉइन z. तुम्हाला काय भेटतंय? 1. नेक्स्ट x जॉइन y बार जॉइन z बार काय भेटतंय? 1 भेटतंय. म्हणजे 0 आपण 1 मध्ये कसा कन्वर्ट करणार जॉइनच्या माध्यमातून? तर x जॉइन y बार जॉइन z, x जॉइन y बार जॉइन z बार. Now in conjunctive normal form we take meet of max terms. Here max terms are nothing but the x join y bar join z and x join y bar join z bar. Now take meet of these two max terms, we get required conjunctive normal form, means equal to x join y bar join z meet x join y bar join z bar. But in example given addition and multiplication, so convert these conjunctive normal form in addition and multiplication. So we get for join plus and for meet multiplication. So conjunctive normal form equal to x plus y bar plus z multiplication x plus y bar plus z bar. This is the required conjunctive normal form. Here chapter number 2 is completed. Here we stop.